We're gonna do a quiz on string methods. Okay, so we have 5 questions in total. So this is going to be a true or false question. So concat doesn't actually change the value of the original string. This is true. Suppose we have a string like so. How would you use the substring to print out the value of 940? So since it starts at the, since we have 940, so the answer that we're after, it starts at the very beginning of our string here. We have to start at 0, okay? And so 0, 1, 2, so it would stop at 3, so we should beat this one because it goes, so the first one, the first argument tells us where to start, and the second argument, in case we have 2 of them, is going to tell us where to go, where to end, essentially, but not including this one, okay? So it should be this one. What will the following code print out? So we have a variable called message of type string, and we have how are you, written like this. And on this line, we are printing on the screen the length of our message, okay? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be, whoops, there are 8 characters. Well, did I not include it then? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 in there. Okay. I'm gonna try and count once more. So we have 0, 1, 2. Well, not 0, because actually we're not counting the indices. This is 1 character, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, of course. So then actually they are right. The result is actually 8. Okay. Complete the code below to find the character located at index 2. So we have a string called str, and it stores this this text, and it says to complete the code below to find the character located at index 2. So we would take the name of the string and we would say located at index 2. We would use index of, no, we would actually do it like so. So what character do we have at index 2? Okay. And the final question, so the 5th question, which of the following string methods returns the string value converted to uppercase? To uppercase is this one, okay.